Chwenga was not there. Mohadi was somewhere else, and Auxilia was at a hospital. So this helicopter crashed when there were only the pilots. 3 pilots were inside here. But I'll give you details tonight. However, what I can tell you is that once you enter this place, the Great Zimbabwe, you've done something that cannot be done or undone. So Mnangagwa is going to suffer the spiritual consequences of what is done, which is to enter the Great Zimbabwe and do whatever he did there yesterday.